Hi all, Danny at Dynodaze here again. Today I'm going to open the Gecko Coilovers for the Mitsubishi Colt CZT. Now, we don't normally do these sorts of videos, so bear with me on this. This will be my first one. But basically what we're doing is, these are the new coilovers that we're selling as a company, Dynodaze. They're Asian and they've got a really strong following, these Gecko coilovers. Now, I've been following a lot of videos from the Americans using them on drift vehicles, etc. They seem to really like them. In a lot of the American videos, they mentioned that these Gecko coilovers have actually got teen interior, so inserts. So basically the insides of the coilovers are made by a Japanese company called Teen. I'm not disputing that, because the Gecko literature says Japanese made inserts and interior parts to the coilovers, but the Americans are pretty convinced that that's Teen. So we sell a lot of Teen here, and we like the stuff. The Gecko coilovers look brilliant. We've tested them on Honda Civics and so far so good. Really happy with those. We love the quality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box and I'm going to show you what's in here, like people do on YouTube, opening boxes and stuff. But you know, it's my first time, so we shall give it a crack and see what you think. But yeah, here we go.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You miss it.
Okay, so here is the box as it comes directly to us at Dynodaze. I've took some shipping information out of it, and I'll take my stickers away because now we know what we're talking about. Oh, big shout out to Infinity Decals. Infinity Decals are an owners club sponsor. They sponsor the CZT OC, which is what these coilovers are for a Mitsubishi Colt, and they do some sick work. This sticker is wicked, so we're going to get a load of these ordered. We'll be giving away stuff like this because obviously you see we've been doing a giveaway for the merchandise, again all made by Infinity Decals. If you own an owners club and you haven't got a merchandise man, then you've got to drop them a message. Infinity Decals, top people. Right, let's get some scissors and get this box open. So main delivery box is open, and this is what we're presented with. Yeah, another box. So pretty well packaged, to be fair. I mean, that's not going missing, is it? But I love the logo, the Gecko suspension stuff. This is the American website, I believe. So, but we'll drop links to everything. But obviously, all of this kit you're going to be able to buy from us. I believe it's already on the website, but go and check that out. Oh, I'm getting battered. Anyway, back to what we were doing. I was playing Turtles. Right, back to what we were doing. So this is the Gecko box. So we're going to open this now. It is a nice box. The delivery is lovely on it. I love the colours. Not quite a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle that I was just... Oh, shout out to one of my favourite YouTube channels, Cowabunga Car Diaries. What a funny pair of lads they are. If you're into your Civics and you're into specifically FN2s, because I've got an FN2, check out Cowabunga Car Diaries. Funny blokes. Right, let's open this. Okay, it's a box open, so plenty of little bits and bobs in there. Ooh, good job I opened this box. Freebies. For me though, they're for me because I'm a dealer. You don't get that. Oh, you get some stuff. Okay, so as I can see, C-spanners, good stuff. We'll get them open in a minute. Let's start by opening a rear spring. Okay, so the rear spring, as you know on the Colt, we got a solid rear beam, so the spring's separate to the shock. But I'm liking the quality of that already. That's a lovely colour. To be fair, the springs just look like Veasey Coilover springs. Slightly better perch. I think, quality-wise. Yeah. Okay, well, a spring's a spring, but it does look quality. So that's the rear spring and adjuster. Right, so yeah, so this is the rear shock. So like I said, polyurethane where the bolt goes through on the bottom, adjustable on the actual thread itself. So you're winding that down. A bit purpley and a bit greeny, really. It's powder coated. It's looking nice. It's a gas filled rear shock. Yeah, and again, sort of just having a conversation with Rich whilst he's having his dinner. Just having a conversation with Rich. The quality on this looks the same as a BC coilover or rear shock. We're convinced that these are better than the Bilstein ones. But yeah, it just looks like a decent rear shock. So that's the rears. What we need to find out really, as Richard and Jason were discussing, is exactly how much adjustment in ride height is available on this particular kit. Because for the price, they're cheaper than BCs and similar quality. They're about the same sort of price range as the Bilstein coilovers. So we really need some sort of honest review of how well they're going to lower. Now, the kits drive brilliantly on the FN2s and they look great, and there's loads of adjustment on the FN2 Gecko version compared to the BC coilover on the FN2. But we've got to get these into a Colt and see. So next up, we're going to open the front shock, and this is a complete unit with spring and top mount. So let's compare these to the BCs. Okay, so the front shock, people, again, lovely powder coating. Again, it's adjustable on the thread, so you're actually winding the shock into itself. Again, gas filled. We've got a nice quality spring, some purple dust covers, which are pretty funky, aren't they, to be fair, and a pillar ball top mount. Now, the only difference really, it's got the same level of adjustment as the BCs, but the only difference really being is this plate at the top isn't as thick. So this particular part at the top here is as thick, but it's still got a pillar ball adjustable top mount on it, and it does look lovely. I mean, they do look gorgeous, don't they? But yeah, again, we need to find out exactly what the ride in reality, because you can have specs, can't you, on paper, but in reality, we want to see on a Colt how much adjustment there is in the ride height on these. But these look lovely, and that's it looks like a good quality bit of kit, that. I mean, I expected that because I've seen them on the Civics, but yeah, it's a lovely bit of kit. Yeah. Any input, Richard, whilst you finish your yoghurt?
I don't think so. I'm looking forward to getting set on, see how it goes.
Yeah, cool. Okay. Do you want to play some Chase HQ? Yeah, should we play some Chase HQ?
Definitely.
Okay, we'll put some Chase HQ on. Okay, so that's the end of our What's in the Box Gecko Colt CZT and Ralliart Coilover video. Don't give up your day job, Danny. Yeah, I know that was a video that I didn't know what I was doing on that one, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And I think it's time, as Richard says, to play a bit of Chase HQ. So who remembers this game? Let's start this off. Nope, I will start it off. Just says game over, Rich.
I've got your name on it.
That's it.
That's the ticket.
Punch the pedal, Rich. You're only 3 seconds behind now.
Eh?
Do you want to get?
I'll play it.
You're playing it. Okay. Well, this is
We did that.
this is a practice run. Just remember that obviously you have to boost. You have to press 2 buttons together, don't you? Or to go high gear, low gear.
Yeah. It's been a while since I played it.
That's poor Cordery, man. If he'd have had Gecko Coilovers on that, he'd have done loads better. Oh, Rich. We do some work here, I promise you. Come on, smash that bad guy up. Hey, realistically, that's when it says turbo boost. It's not actually turbo, is it? It's more likely NOS, because you're actually pushing a button. He's mugging you off, Rich.
He is. I've got no boost left.
I think the situation is grim.
Well, that was a lucky escape there.
Between 2 lampposts.
Yeah.
10 seconds. This might be doable, you know. Go on.
No,
Oh, he's got away. Your time's up. Oh, what's that out there, Jason?
fucking on shite.
That's halfway through a transformation if ever I've seen one.
That's it. Fuel pressure wreck. That's it.
And this will be the next video, guys.